showcasing the SALIENT tool, which is a tool developed for identify safety critical concern in an unmanned aerial vehicle. So to run a graphical interface, what you have to do is go in the command line tool. After you have cloned the repository, you will see something like that locally, and then go basically in the subfolder where there is the source code that is required to be run, and then run the command specified as in the repository. In background, basically the tool will run or open the graphical interface, which allows to do different things. First of all, open or copy and paste the text of issues from in our context for unmanned aerial vehicle projects. As you can see, it has been opened. Then it are allowed to read and classify text that has been opened from files, passed from open issue, and classify it automatically. We can also save results locally and then close, of course, the graphical interface when all our activity or task has been performed. So let's go on the graphical interface. So as you can see here, we can open file locally. For example, I'm going to open text of an issue that we used for our experiments, and basically you can edit the text if you want, and then ask the tool to classify the issue. As you can observe, the tool is able to identify sentences that concern safety issue, as in this sentence. Since the compass prioritization changed, however, this result is FKF, not using any compass, which is unexpected and potentially dangerous. That's quite important. You can also edit issue. What is important in the classification process, you see in background in the pipeline, is that classify sentences in dangerous, related to concern, as it been observed also in the graphics interface consistently, and provide probability for it. Of course, it's possible to save those results in a more consistent way rather than just visualizing from the command line interface. And what is important is just to select a location for the file, for example, results CSV. So if you go and observe the file or results, you will see that it creates a CSV file, which has a certain format, the sentence, the predict label, which is the label that has been assigned, and its probability. So this can be used by developers to prioritize aspects that are more important from a safety point of view. You can access the tool via command line and a graphical interface. Now I want to demonstrate the interaction with the tool, the command line interface. What is important to know is that for running the tool, you have to run different commands, which is one shown here in the repository, but also here in the command line. Before executing it, I want to show and describe a few things. So this command execute a machine learning parameter that classifies sentences that have been provided as input using a config JSON file. Then, assuming you don't have a tool to split sentences, what you can give as input to the tool is just a free text, an issue, copied from the repository, and then give as input to the tool. But let's see what happens if we basically provide all these files that we've seen before as input. We save, and we ask the tool again to classify issue. As you can see, the tool can simultaneously classify all these files and identify safety concern. As you have seen before, the results are saved in a local file that is specified as input. If you have issue in running the tool or have any inputs to improve the tool, just contact us as developers, original developers of the SALIENT tool. Thank you for your attention.